Eid-ul-Fitr.
Hello everyone, and a very happy Eid to all of you. Here is how we celebrated Eid-ul-Fitr 2021. We started our day with a bowl of sweet and creamy sheer khurma. This is a delicious vermicelli pudding, and you can find the recipe link in my description box below. Next, we had a yummy halwa puri breakfast. Our wonderful friends came over to spend the day with us. We enjoyed a yummy potluck feast. After the kids got their Eidis, they cut a fabulous cake made by my friend Mona. I have linked her Instagram page below. And this sweet little girl, Myra, also has her own YouTube channel. I'm linking it below as well. Do check it out. Yay! And Ameen Mubarak to Myra.
Eid Mubarak to everyone.
And Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Eid Mubarak to us all.
Next, we went to a party organized by a group of friends at Mezban Restaurant in Houston. I'm going to leave their information in my description box. We started off the evening with dinner. We took lots of pictures. The men had a great time playing board games. While the kids had fun dancing around and playing musical chairs. All the kids got presents that were brought in by the parents. And the night ended with some amazing live entertainment.
याद है मुझको तूने कहा था तुमसे नहीं रूठेंगे कभी दिल की तरह से आज मिले हैं कैसे भला छूटेंगे कभी मेरी बाहों में बीती हर शाम बेवफा ये भी क्या याद में क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम हुआ तेरा वादा मेरे तन्हा मन में पायल छनकाती तुम आ जाओ जीवन में सांसें लेकर अपनी संगीत अमर कर दो बन जाओ मीत मेरी प्रीत अमर कर दो कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जैसे तुझको बनाया गया है मेरे लिए कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है
ये हम हैं, ये हमारा हॉल है और ये हमारी ईद हो रही है।
And that is a wrap. Thank you so much for joining us on our Eid celebrations. I will catch you next time. Bye.